is a magical AI tool. You can generate original image at a scale. You can modify your photos, expand pictures beyond their original borders, or create custom AI models, which is 100% free. There are so many text to image converter on the internet, but very few AI tool is very genuine and they create realistic images. With the help of this website, just you have to give the few prompts, whatever imagination you have, and you want to create the very similar kind of images. Just give the prompt and the image will be ready in seconds. So let's start the video. Come to this website, GetImg.ai. Click start creating for free. Here you will have to give the prompt. So you can write it. Here you can give the negative prompt. You can customize all these options. Select the resolution, generation parameter, and how many images you want to generate it. Just select it. To image, click on generate to image. You can see the result. They have generated realistic images, guys. Basis of prompt, they have generated very genuine images. This is really magic, and you can just download it from here. And you can see the quality of this image, guys. It looks so real. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel. Have a good day, all the best.